Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. For today's tutorial, we're going to be making some flower blossom cards using some dies from Spellbinders. Now, this is a highly requested tutorial based out of my Spellbinders Summer 2018 surprise bundle package. I know that they are no longer in stock. They have completely sold out of the package, but you are still able to get these set of dies. It's called the Blossom Tags and Accent Dies in their website. I will leave you a link to this set of dies along with my supply list in the description area below. Enjoy the video. We'll be using the large and the medium blossom dies for this card. You'll need some plain cardstock for your base, and the cardstock does need to measure 4 inches in width. Once you have scored and folded your cardstock, you are ready to position your die for die cutting. Although you see me positioning the die just for 1 petal, I recommend that you position your die for 2 petals. This way, when you stand your card upright, it'll balance a whole lot better. And with some washi tape to hold down the position of your blossom flower card, you are ready to pass it through your machine. The die cutting and embossing machine that you see me use here is the Spellbinders Platinum 6. Once you've run your cardstock through the machine, you're ready to take that very same die and use it on your designer paper, and this time you don't need to worry about any of the edges. You will run it fully. Now that this blossom is finished, you will take your second blossom, which is the medium one, and run it through your machine with some plain white cardstock. The next step is to take your die cut from your designer paper, add some glue to the back, and just apply it onto your card base. And now we're going to take some 3D pop dots and put it on the back of your medium blossom and attach it to the center of your card. While our hot glue gun is heating up, we're going to die cut 10 pieces from our Spellbinders stack and fan flowers, and we're going to use some double-sided paper for this part. You're going to die cut 5 pieces of one design and 5 pieces of another design, and then you're going to stagger them just like I'm showing you right here. I think it adds a little bit of interest to the card, and I think it looks neat. We're going to shape our flower and we're going to hold it together with a brad. Now that our fan flower is done, this is going to be hot glued right on to the center of our blossom card. But before we do this, I decided to die cut some leaves and some flourishes using some dies from Spellbinders. And I will link you to those dies in the description area below. And here is an optional step. Because I'm doing white on white, I decided to add some Wink of Stella on the leaves and the flourishes. After I glued the leaves on the card, I'm ready to hot glue the fan flower on the center of our card. And that is pretty much it, my friends. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to leave me a nice comment. Thumbs up are appreciated, and share my videos with your friends. And if you just happen to land on this video, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. At Decorate Your Life, I focus on paper crafting tutorials and project shares. So thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you once again in the next video. Bye now.